In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to upload loops inside of Producer.AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Producer.AI like you usually would. Then from here, you need to log into your account. From here, you'll need to go up to New Session up here, to where it says Create the Music You Imagine. Then from here, to upload it, there's two ways to do it. You can either click on this plus sign down here, and then click Upload Audio, like so. Or you can go up to Compose, and then click upload up here in the right hand corner. And let's just click on one of these. Let's find something. And then you can listen to it. You can add in the settings where you can do variation of how it's going to sound like. You can add in lyrics and sound. Then from here, you can click generate like so. And as you can see, Producer.AI will generate your beats or music, and then you can listen to it or download it if you want to do that. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!